I'll be trying Nature's Promise Espresso Coffee Soda. And it's got some pretty simple ingredients: carbonated water, cane sugar, coffee concentrate, natural flavors. Let's give it a smell. Oh, wow. Definitely has a coffee smell. Mmm. Hope it tastes good. Definitely tastes like a cold brew coffee. And it's not over sweet. Very interesting. It's very odd to be having a. It's like, you're used to drinking a espresso hot. Even a regular coffee you usually have hot, unless you do a cold brew or an iced coffee. But those aren't carbonated. Man, I think I can get addicted to this. Well, I definitely do like the taste.